a secret Tinder account 5 men at a time secretly. ऐसा assumption क्यों करते हो यार, क्यों करते हो? Oh my god, I didn't know you guys are so creative with your assumptions about me, and here in this video I'm going to read all of those assumptions. So recently I posted this story on the community of my YouTube channel and these stories on Instagram handle, and from there I've received a lot of spicy and juicy assumptions about me, and I was like, after reading I was like, really? तो बहुत मजे आने वाले इस वीडियो में. And also if you're watching this face or my channel for the very first time, then hi, I'm Alisha, and नाम तो नहीं सुना होगा, but then I make fashion, fitness and lifestyle videos, and I really hope you enjoy. Now let's get into the video. So I have all of these assumptions in my mobile phone right now, and one by one I'm going to read it all and then react accordingly. So let's start with the first one, which is you love doing sponsored videos to make money from your videos. Okay, so this is, this is a mix of both, like true and false too. Obviously I do sponsored videos, but to quote something in this way that you love doing sponsored video is not something that I am up to. Like if you are watching my channel from quite a while, then you all know that I upload twice or even thrice a week, and in comparison to the sponsored videos, it's like 5% for the entire month, or even sometimes it's just go nil. So that's how it goes. And other than that, even if it's like a sponsored videos, I try my best to put in value to the content, and I just don't want people to regret tapping on my video. That's it about my thing. And sponsored videos are just a part of my work. Yes, it's really important to do sponsored videos to kind of invest in your work again, and other than that, if a product is good, if a product is worth sharing with my people, then absolutely I just love doing sponsored videos for that very product. And the next one is you are no longer friends with your school friends. Back in my school days, I had a decent friend group. We talked to like a lot of people, but calling someone friend is something very close. So I had a very small group, but right now I'm not into that, talking terms with everyone, क्योंकि सब अपने अपने life में busy हैं. But again, whenever it comes to greetings and wishes, we do it often, we talk to each other. You can eat non-veg every day. This is 110% correct. I can eat non-veg every day. I just love that. And not for a while मेरे दिमाग में ऐसी idea भी नहीं आती है vegan होने की या anything like that. So this is 100% correct. Now the next one is you like to gossip a lot about other people and kinda gossip girl among your friends. First of all, as I said, I have a very small friends group, and truly I'm not that gossip girl of my group, nor I entertain such people in my life. क्यों यार जज करना, सब अपने लाइफ में सब अपना मस्ती कर रहे हैं, please. Now the next assumption is something about my work, and there's this one another assumption about my work too, so I'm going to categorize in one. You are very dedicated to your work, and making videos is an addiction now. And the other one is you take your channel very seriously and is very anxious about your growth, which forces you to post so regularly. I just mean that you tend to work too seriously on YouTube and is very strict when it comes to content. Both of these assumptions are absolutely true. I take my channel very seriously, like very seriously. It's not something that I'm doing in leisure time. It's my 9 to 5. It's like my job. It's like my baby startup. That's how I treat it. And absolutely, if you are working, I think you should give 110%, even more to that. And if I'm putting my energy, then why I will lack somewhere in the efforts that I do. So that's how it goes. And yes, I just love making videos. It's not like addiction, but it's something that gives me soul satisfaction. So I just love, and my passion and my work is on the same page, so that's an absolute desert. And the next one is you are popular in school and college. I don't know, I can't tell now, people can tell that whether I'm popular or not, but in that aspect, I was a good student, so teachers and everyone kind of was aware about me कि हाँ Alisha जैसी कोई exist करती है. And also I was the head of the group. We had certain groups in our school, the red group, green group, yellow, so that's what it is. And I was quite famous, and abhi college mein, yes, I am doing quite well, and people kind of know a little bit more about me because of my channel. So yes, it's kind of true. And the next one is you have no friends. ऐसा नहीं है, I have friends and they are really dear to me, my loved ones. And हाँ, ऐसा है कि मेरा friends group बहुत small है because these days friendship comes with a lot of expectation and I feel that I somewhere I'm a person who never copes up or keep up with the expectation. तो दूसरे part पे क्या है ये तो I can't say, but yeah, definitely I can say this that I am not a good friend when it comes to fulfilling someone's expectations. So that's what it is. Other assumption is you want to get married this year. मतलब क्यों, तुमको ऐसे क्यों लगता है? Definitely not. Why would I? So the next two assumptions are like the most spicy one. Hey, I assume that you have a secret Tinder account. And the other one is you are dating 5 men at a time secretly. Oh my god, first of all, I don't have a secret Tinder account. If anyone has made it with my name, then that's another thing. But I haven't ever tried Tinder, Bumble or anything like that. Other than that, dating 5 men at a time secretly, it would be fun definitely, but it requires a lot of time management and I am quite poor at that. तो ये बिल्कुल दोनों ही assumptions बिल्कुल गलत हैं. Oh, you are a night owl. 120-30% true. Like if you are following me on Instagram, if you are on my WhatsApp, if you are watching my channel and community and everything, then you know that I am like a night owl, like एकदम पक्का वाला. And for me, daytime जैसा होता है वैसे ही night time होता है. I can do everything at night too. So that's how it goes. And I never consider night as night. So definitely a night owl. You like your things organized. Yes, I definitely like my things organized. It kind of boosts me up to make more videos, to do my work more, to make my day even more productive. But again, because of the busy schedule, all my makeup and things after shoot, it kind of mess in my room. So to keep it organized, I need to work like every morning. सुबह उठ के I have to organize my room, or even at least on Sundays I do it to keep everything on place. The other assumption is you are a good cook. Good cook, can't say, but yes, I know each and everything, how to cook, like everything. So on rainy days I can just cook for my family and for everyone. तो ऐसा है, लेकिन again I can't say that I'm a good cook. मेरे घर पे बाकी सब लोग के हाथ में बहुत ज़्यादा टेस्ट है, but I think मेरा somewhere it's like missing, even though I add a lot of Maggi masala and every masala. But ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, I know although. The next one is you used to be quite an introvert and now changed. Another one is also related to that. You are an introvert and doesn't speak much. You appear so comfortable in videos, but you don't speak much in real life. I can't say that I'm an introvert. Like actually, I should say that I'm an ambivert. Like if someone I vibe with, then I can talk hours and hours. I can talk shit. I can blabber anything. Just like I just love talking to camera. I just love talking to people. So I'm talking a lot. But ऐसे normally yes, थोड़ा सा कम बोलती हूँ. Like मेरे class में भी या मेरे school time, college time में भी this was like the complaint that used to come कि हाँ आप वीडियो में तो बहुत ज़्यादा बोलते हो लेकिन रियल लाइफ में इतना चुप क्यों, बीमार हो, all of these things. But to be very honest, I conserve my energy क्योंकि बहुत कुछ करना होता है दिन भर में. सुबह जिम, उसके बाद कॉलेज, उसके बाद फिर घर आके आइडिएशन, वर्किंग ऑन द स्क्रिप्ट, देन शूटिंग, एडिटिंग. So it's like a 3 days job altogether. I need energy, that's why I conserve energy. So that's how it is. Next one is you are in a relationship. Please note down this username. I'm going to DM you, like, okay. And the next assumption is age less than 25. ऐसा assumption क्यों करते हो यार, क्यों करते हो? And the next one is maybe you don't have enough rest. Please do have some. सबसे प्यारा assumption so far. Yes, I need rest. The next one is you never get angry. Yes, absolutely true. I never get angry, like इतने जल्दी से तो नहीं. I'm not at all a short tempered person. I'm kind of chill person. लेकिन एक demerit है which I feel is that I keep on collecting things for someone. And इसके बाद वो जो पूरा गुस्सा है ना वो फूटता है मेरे खुद के ऊपर. I often get angry on myself only. So that's the part I should work on. क्योंकि ठीक है यार, खुद पे नहीं गुस्साना चाहिए, but I do it really often. कभी भी किसी और पे भी गुस्सा आता है तो I kind of keep my mouth shut and then shout at me अंदर से. A topper in school and now in college. I wasn't a topper in my school days, जबकि उस टाइम पे थोड़ा सब कुछ ज़्यादा easy हुआ करता था. But I was like a good student. Everyone knew me that this student is पढ़ने लिखने वाला बच्चा. तो हमेशा 1 to 7 तक रैंक में मैं आ जाती थी, बट क्या आई कैन डेफिनेटली से दैट लाइक कॉलेज में आई एम अ टॉपर. And the next assumption is you are not good at studies. That's why you picked up YouTube and now planning to drop out. As I said in the previous assumption, I am a good student. Like college mein I am a topper and I kind of balance everything. I just love doing that. If I am a student on one side, I have to perform the best, and if I'm a YouTuber, I should do my best here too. One another thing that is mentioned here, that you are planning to drop out. Not at all. I'm not planning to drop out. I'm at the verge of being graduated. तो अभी pandemic नहीं होता तो I would have graduated too. And other than that, this whole line I find थोड़ा सा misleading, that you're not good at studies, that's why you picked up YouTube. ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. YouTube also requires a lot of efforts and it is definitely a choice, and for me it is like my career, my baby startup as I said. So बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत लगती है, बहुत ज़्यादा effort लगता है, and on the top of it बहुत ज़्यादा patience required होता है. So I just love doing that, and it's not about me being poor at studies. The next assumption is you are sweet on camera, but in real life you are kind of rude, cutthroat and shrewd. If you think that I look sweet on camera, then thank you first of all. And secondly, इस पूरे assumption को I can't answer. If someone else who had ever a conversation with me, they can definitely answer in their perspective. But again, what I think about myself, that I try my best to be whosoever I am in front of the camera and off the camera, same person. So that's how it is. And here's the list of assumptions that you guys have, and they are kind of interrelated, so I'm going to put that like all together. That you are very rich and you earn lakhs of rupees, and that's how you can afford to do everything that you want. You are a rich girl and you have always had the freedom of luxury. You can buy everything that you want, so have earned enough money now only. So these assumptions are kind of related, and I definitely know from where these things are coming, क्योंकि social media पे we put out the best of ourselves, and ऐसा सबको लगता है कि इसके life में कोई problem नहीं है, she is so happy, so chirpy, every time she can afford everything, she has all the luxury and privileges. लेकिन real life में ऐसा नहीं होता है. Like in COVID days, every family was going through some sort of financial crisis. Same with me too. I'm also human. I have also a family, and I was also going through that very pandemic also. And even in that situation, I tried my best to put on content every week, twice, thrice. That's how I kind of kept myself engaged and to entertain you guys. And every time I came with a smiling face, though what is going on back in my head was a different story altogether. So ऐसे होता है. तो कभी भी सोशल मीडिया पे किसी के अपीयरेंस को देख के या कैसे वो खुद को प्रेजेंट करता है, ये देख के कभी ऐसा नहीं सोचना चाहिए that she has all the luxury, she has everything that she wants and everything like that. And I like to keep myself this way, I like to present myself this way, polished in front of you, and I know everyone has their problems in their life. And if I start to crib about my problems and what all the things that are going on in my life, then I just don't want to burden you guys with all of my problems too. And I really want to make my videos a small package of like pastry, a dessert for you all. So that's how it is. Other than that, never ever feel insecure about someone else, about yourself, seeing others work or others happiness. If someone is happy, if someone is at a position where you want to, where you aspire to go to, please believe this, that timings are different. आपका भी time आएगा later on in future, आप भी उस position पे पहुंचोगे, आपके life में भी वो सारी खुशियाँ होंगी. And if you really think that growth is luxury, then it's absolutely not. You can definitely watch my first video. You can type Alisha Singh introduction. You can please watch this video after this video ends, and you can get the idea of how I have improvised everything, the way I speak, the way I appear, the way I do my makeup, the way I do my hair and everything, to look good, to be better in front of you all. And that's how it is. And I just never wanted to make anyone insecure with my channel, with my videos, and I am just like the way you all are. So yeah, that's what it is. So that's pretty much about the video, and I really hope you all enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up and please comment down more video ideas and suggestions. I just love reading them all and to inculcate in my videos, to improvise everything about it. Follow me on Instagram @_Alisha180_, and please subscribe to this channel. I प्यार you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.